Hi guys, welcome to my channel PowerPoint Glamour. Today let's check out how to make this 3 steps infographic slide. So please stay tuned. Alright, let's start quickly by inserting a rectangle. We will need a rectangle whose top corners are rounded. Okay, so here it is. Let's click and insert. Okay, we have this rectangle. Let's rotate it a little, move it, stretch it. Okay, we would need 3 copies of this, so let's duplicate, Control D, then place it here. Okay, a little bigger, then one more copy, place it here on top of this. For now, stretch it, make sure the corners are rounded to the max. Then let's fill this with this gray color for now, no outline. Okay, then select this one and bring this to front. Okay, this is done. Okay, resize it like this, fill this with this color, the same color here. Alright, now select this shape, let's give it a shadow. Go to shadow, let's select outer this shadow. Okay, then the same for that, same for all the shapes. Okay, then let's insert a right triangle. Okay, insert this, let's flip it like this. Make sure it has the same color. I need to place it here to give it a fold look. Okay, let's resize it so that it goes inside just exactly here. Okay, right, if this has the darker version of the base color, then it looks much better. This is also looking good, no worries. Insert a circle. Okay, place it here. Then let's fill it with gray for now. Alright, give it a shadow. This one, cool. Then alright, select all of this and then group them. Group, then duplicate. Great. So we have 3 shapes and we need to change the colors. Let's make it green and the last one blue. Great, we have all the 3 shapes ready. Now we need to insert the icons. Let's select 3 icons, insert, icons inserted. Let's put 1 icon each here. So your icons should be in relation to the text that you will be putting here. I'm just putting some random icons here. Alright, now let's insert some text. Okay, I'm fast forwarding it for you. The text here should be simple to insert a text box, and so it's a free template. You can download this by following the link in the description and then change. Now text is done, insert a circle. Okay, should be this color, no outline. Fill it with gray, give it a shadow, the middle one. Then insert another circle, place it on top of this circle, no outline. Duplicate this shape twice. The color of the inner circle should be the same as the color of this particular shape. Do an eyedropper to copy the same color. Okay, now we need some lines to join these circles. Okay, alright, the lines are joined. Let's select this and drag it a little towards this. Great, so now this is done. So this is the perfect slide that you have. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.